Hi everyone, Anka from SocialBee here, and today I want to walk you through our new and improved social media scheduler. This scheduler actually unifies the schedule setup tab as well as the next post tab. So you only have to go to one place to see your next posts and calendar. So let's see what it's like. You'll be able to find it in your navigation bar under the scheduler, and you'll see the beta label next to it, just so that you know if you have any feedback on it, you can provide it in here. So the first thing you'll see once you click on it is your calendar for the next week. This is a default right now, but you can also see your calendar for the next day, for the next 4 days, for the next week. Notice how all of these will start on today's date. For me, today is Friday as I'm filming this, so my calendar starts on a Friday. Tomorrow, it will start on a Saturday, and so on. You also get a monthly calendar, which starts typically on a Monday, so that you get a full overview of your next month and the content that you have scheduled there. Going back to the weekly view, you'll be able to see your scheduled categories, regardless of whether they have content that's scheduled and approved, like this one, or they don't, like my Wednesday right here. You're also going to be able to go back into the past and see some more content that has been published, or into the future and see any content that might be still scheduled. If you move into the future, you'll also be able to see some drafted content that is not yet approved. This post will not go out until you approve it first. You can do so by clicking on the post and editing it in order to make sure that it is approved. So now the post is ready to go out. You're also able to see your next posts in a list view so that you have a quicker overview of your next scheduled items or any categories where you still need to add content like I have here. By the way, if you want to add something into your calendar, you can do so both from the list view and from the calendar view by clicking on the Add Time Slot button at the top left, or in the calendar view by clicking on an empty time slot. This will give you the option to either create a post from scratch. This will also make sure that you select all the right profiles that you had selected before. You're also going to have the date and time that you clicked on pre-selected, so make sure you save that when creating your post. Or it will also give you the option to schedule a category into your schedule setup. This way, you can choose the category that you want to schedule, the profile that you want to schedule it for, when you want to schedule it, and then just save that time slot there. If you want to see your scheduled categories, you can go into the Overview tab. This is the equivalent of the schedule setup. So in here, you'll be able to see the scheduled categories and everything else. So if you want to remove a category, you can just click on the trash icon in the overview in order to remove it. You're also able to edit your categories by clicking on the pencil icon. And by the way, you have filtering options for both categories and social profiles. So if you want to see your Instagram categories only, you can do that. And one more thing, if you have any failed posts, you will see them here as well so that you're quickly notified of anything that needs changing. That way, you will never miss a posting time and everything will be quick and easy to access. So what do you think? Are you enjoying the new scheduler? If you haven't given it a test yet, you can log into your existing SocialBee account or create a free trial if you don't have one yet and access it from the menu on your left. And if you have any issues or questions about it, you can always reach out to our success team at success@socialbee.com.